Hey everyone, I have started a crash course in which I will just cover the most important topics of UGC NET paper 1 and paper 2 education. So if you are preparing for UGC NET paper 1 and paper 2, so you can subscribe my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to tell you some most important full forms which are very important for paper 1 as well as for paper 2 education. So first is CABE. So CABE means Central Advisory Board of Education. So the next is AICSE. So that is All India Council of Secondary Education. Next is NIE, National Institution of Education. And the next is NIC. NIC means National Information Center. Another important term is NUEPA. ये टर्म बहुत बार नेट के पेपर में पूछी गई है. इसका मीनिंग है नेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ एजुकेशनल प्लानिंग एंड एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. And the next is CBSE. CBSE means Central Board of Secondary Education. And the next is ECCE. इसको आप ECCEP भी लिख सकते हैं. It means Early Childhood Care and Education. अगर इसके साथ P भी एडेड होगा then it will be Early Childhood Care and Education Program. And the next is MMEICT. That is National Mission on Education through ICT. So ICT की full form क्या होगी? Information and Communication Technology. Next is POA. That is Program of Action. Next is AIE, that is Alternative and Innovative Education. And the next is InfLibNet. यहाँ पे INF का मीनिंग होगा Information, LIB means Library and NET means Network. So it is Information and Library Network. Next is IEDC. So it is Integrated Education for Disabled Children. Next is NAEP, that is National Adult Education Program. Another important term here is CAL, that is Computer Aided Learning. Next is ODLS, that is Open and Distance Learning System. Next important term here is NBA, that is National Board of Accreditation. So this is enough for today's class. आपको इतनी full forms को अच्छे से याद कर लेना होगा. So for other important content, you can subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.